What's up, guys? I'm over here in Colfax area trying to hike on this Stevens Trail. So we'll see how this is gonna go. It's a pretty good hike. Got here at 10:43, and yeah, let's get after it.
Stevens Trail, 3.7 miles to the Fork, North American River. Let's get after it.
So I'm out here camel packing it, fanny packing it with my floral jeans as well. Check that out. It's pretty awesome. Supporting Matt Vincent, Hate Brand Goods. He's pretty awesome. He's a cool dude. So shout out to him.
Hike is going pretty well. Just trailing. This country is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Trail starting, so it's go time. This one-handed stuff isn't as easy as it seems. Let's go.
I'm out here in the woods. I'm always thinking, man, which tree do I pee on first? It's one of the best things about being out in nature and being a guy. I really wish the pictures or the video could do this place justice, because it's absolutely gorgeous out here. Hiking on this trail, you can hear the water a little bit. So while on the trail, you may come across various types of obstructions in your way, like branches and trees. So be careful out there, because they might get you if you're not paying attention. Look what we have here. Sign. Got us some sign on the trail. I don't know what that is, but sure is something.
Time for a little bit of a water break. Gonna enjoy this view of the river. Sit on this bench here that I found. Yep. That's where I came from. That is where I am going to go. Yeah. If you know me, you know I love the outdoors. You know I love Alaska. And you know I love playing rugby. That's why I have these stickers. I heart Alaska. And then I got the Turn Again board-tied rugby sticker on my water bottle. And that is a rugby team in Alaska that I played with. And they're pretty great. They're a lot of good guys. Hiker's tip 101. So when you're hiking, you never want to put all your focus on the ground. You want to be looking up, to the left, to the right, and experience nature for how it truly is, instead of just looking at the ground, because then all you're looking at is just the dirt that's in front of you. And there's a lot more beauty to be experienced when you're looking up. This is absolutely gorgeous right here. Came around. Look at that. Look at that river. Look at all that nature, man. All that nature. Woo. This is standing pretty close to the cliff. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah.
Well, that's a bit of an issue. Trail kind of just drops off, and that's where it begins again. Guess we'll have to climb the rock. Oh yeah.
So, tip number 2, rocks are very slippery. And sometimes you slip and almost die. Sometimes you slip and do die. You know, that's life. But this day, I did not die.
Whew. Almost fell down that. Dang. Absolutely gorgeous. Getting closer and closer to that river. Keep on trucking.
So I made it. I'm down here at the bottom at the American River. It's absolutely beautiful. And now it's time for my hike up. The whole way down was, of course, downhill. So it's time to keep hammering and get after it. Now, because of time restrictions, I gotta hightail it back on up and get back to the truck and take off, because I have dinner plans with my lady. Oh yeah. I think this is a good halfway point right here at this bench. It's a nice little bench, you know, good for sitting, amongst other things, of which I don't know what, but hey, it's good for sitting. So I made it back to the truck, and yeah, that was a pretty awesome hike. I can't wait to go back again and do it. This time I went on the east side, so there wasn't as much hiking or trailing. I only did about 6 or so miles. So the other Stevens Trail on the other side is about 10 miles all the way around. So hopefully next time when I get to come out over here, I can do that one. Until next time.